What's up YouTube? This is 5 here, and this is my 2011 late summer bike check. To start off, let's start with the bars. I got Time War high bars, 28 wide, 8.5 high rise, 12 degree back sweep with ODI O grips, pretty grimy. Red animal barends, the power reduced session stem, aluminum spacer, sputnic blue 45 by 45 degree integrated headset, nitrous O G-forks, Eastern premium ultralight pegs, aluminum, Flybikes hub, wienman double wall rim, animal GLH, 09 Eastern Traildigger frame with a metal spade pivitol seat and an animal wedge green post with a Eastern BB bottom bracket, Eastern Medusa V2 forged in blue sprocket, nitrous shifter cranks with animal blue PC pedals, sealed bearings, mechanik half-link chain, moving to the back, got a stolen revolver back rim, and with a maxxis hookworm, same peg as in the front, and a S&M redneck rubber tab hub guard. And this is also concluding with a hub sound. So as you'll hear right now, we'll do a hub sound right now. That hub is pretty loud. I like it. 25 and subscribe.